The Joseph Smith translation offers corrections, insights, and clarifications to over 3,400 verses in the Bible. And many of those changes deal with the very passages that make the Bible confusing to read. Can I share one with you? This is one that always threw me. So in the King James Version, chapter 7, verse 2, we have this. Thou shalt speak all that I command thee, and Aaron thy brother shall speak unto Pharaoh, that he send the children of Israel out of his land. That makes sense. That's okay. How about this verse? And I will harden Pharaoh's heart. What? I will harden Pharaoh's heart? I thought he wanted Pharaoh to let the people go. Why would God harden his heart if, well, Joseph fixes that with the inspired translation. Here's what it should read. And Pharaoh will harden his heart, as I said unto thee, and thou shalt multiply my signs. And that makes lots more sense. The Lord didn't harden Pharaoh's heart. Pharaoh hardened his own heart.